How to make your account public in Tracker. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Valorant account public in Tracker. First thing you're going to have to do is come to tracker.gg, enter this URL, and then click on the sign in option. If you haven't already, just go ahead and sign into your account. Let me just quickly sign in, and it's going to send you a verification code. Click on continue. You're just going to have to enter the code. So I'm going to check my email to verify the code. So here I've gotten the code, so let me just go ahead and quickly copy this and then paste it right here. Now it's going to automatically verify my ID. All right, so once you are logged in, you'll find your username at the top, and all you're going to have to do is come to tracker.gg/Valorant. Now click on my profile. So if you have your Valorant account connected here, by logging into your Riot Games account, your account will automatically be public. So you can check other players' profile as well. So once you have logged in, you should be good to go. Your account will automatically be public. Since I don't have any Valorant account, I cannot do that. But let me just go ahead and search for another player that has their account public. Hit enter. Now they will load the profile. Now I can just select the profile that I want to view. And you're going to have to sign in with Riot first. So click on sign in with Riot. Make sure to log into your account. Now you can do the same thing. Go to Valorant. Here, type in their account or your own. Select the profile, and you should be able to view your profile from here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.